From the leaders in outdoor cleanup solutions, Billy Goat is pleased to introduce the all-new QV vacuum with a host of new and innovative features. Marked by a distinctive 33-inch composite black intake nozzle and cyclonic hood, the QV features the strong suction and ease of operation that Billy Goat vacuums are known for. But the newly designed QV is considered the world's quietest and features the lowest dB in its class. When compared to other vacs on the market with equal engines and RPM, the QV minimizes noise and improves operating acoustic conditions at all RPMs. There's no need to reduce the RPM and compromise productivity just to achieve lower noise characteristics recommended by other vac manufacturers in the market. Additionally, the QV features a unique cyclonic air filtration system that slows the air in the bag and creates a low-pressure center that, when combined with patent-pending dust sock technology, creates the first vacuum that virtually eliminates dust in dry conditions. Simply cover the standard mesh turf bag with the dust sock to achieve the effect. The large debris stays in the mesh bag, while the passing dust adheres to the outer dust sock. No need for the operator workspace to be filled and covered with dust as a result of vacuuming anymore. Be sure to remember not to use the dust sock in wet conditions and clean the sock with care according to the operator instructions. When not using the dust sock, a dust skirt is included to keep the dust down and away from the operator. And when the debris bag is full, the new QV features a 2-latch bagging system, which eliminates bag clasps or zippers, making bag handling and unloading one of the most simple and efficient tasks compared to the other models on the market. Simply unlatch, lower, and slide the bag out the back centering rail and repeat to close. When cleaning in hard-to-reach areas, the new QV offers an innovative hose kit accessory. This optional 5-inch hose expands to 10 feet, then collapses down to a fraction of its size for optimal onboard storage when not in use. In addition, the telescopic handle reduces operator bending, improves ergonomics, and provides ease of use in hard-to-reach areas. To activate the hose kit, simply close the front nozzle with the door that is secured via the magnet at the back of the front nozzle, and let the vacuum pull it tight to close, which then redirects the air through the hose attachment. When done, simply swing the door back to the secured position and store the hose kit. Large rear turf tires and front casters, along with optional hydrostatic transmission and variable height adjustment from a 1/2 inch to 3 inch, make the QV highly maneuverable and ideal for virtually all surface conditions and debris cleanup jobs. In addition, the self-propelled hydrodrive option features a shift-on-the-fly transmission for variable speed in both forward and reverse from 0 to 3 miles per hour. Lastly, the QV is driven by your choice of Honda or Briggs power, coupled to a 6-blade armor-plated impeller to maximize suction power in an effort to pick up even the most stubborn debris. The impeller also reduces debris up to 12 to 1 in dry conditions and improves mulching of organic debris. The result is maximized productivity, reduced dumping, and less fatigue for the operator. So when it's time to clean up, there's no reason your property shouldn't look great in all seasons. Put the innovative, low-dust, low-noise power of the QV to work and clean up with Billy Goat, a full line of property cleanup solutions. When it comes time for cleaning up overgrown brush, meadows, and weeds, clean up with Billy Goat's BC2600 series of brush cutters. Ideal for reclaiming your meadows, fields, paths, trails, or any overgrown property, the 26-inch commercial-duty brush cutters from Billy Goat are designed to cut and clear a path through the densest brush and weeds. To accomplish this, the working end of the Billy Goat brush cutter features a powerful high-torque 1/4-inch reinforced blade that's able to cut any vegetation pushed over by the brush guard. This gives the Outback all the power it needs to cut brush and saplings up to 2 inches in diameter. Customers are amazed at what they can cut without damaging the Outback. This unit is designed to take the abuse of hitting all those items hidden in the brush, such as rocks, stumps, fence posts, and even tires. This is possible because of the heavy-duty spindle assembly sandwiched between the engine base and cutting deck. The assembly is welded and reinforced in 4 directions, so it's extremely rigid. And the Kevlar belt helps to absorb and dissipate any shock and protect critical components in the rear of the machine. The Outback series features both a fixed-deck meadow model with a standard 3-speed transmission, as well as an articulating deck hydrodrive model with a locking differential for when the terrain and brush is more challenging. The fixed deck model is ideal when mowing relatively flat meadows and brush areas, while the Hydro Drive is ideal when mowing rough terrain and hillsides with heavy brush. The Hydro transmission features a hydrostatic transaxle with enhanced traction control. This feature reacts when a rear wheel starts to slip. It senses the slip and automatically locks both wheels, giving it positive traction in wet or uneven conditions. The Hydro Drive transmission also eliminates shifting and allows for feathering in forward and reverse with fingertip control. Coupled with a floating 12-degree pivoting deck and proprietary return to neutral, this ground-hugging workhorse glides over uneven terrain and deep brush seamlessly. For safety, the blade deck is completely enclosed and helps cut brush until it slowly rolls out the back of the slope deck. Swinging metal deflectors in front of the deck also keep cut debris from flying forward. This is the safest and most effective way to handle overgrown vegetation and the surprises found in it. The Hydro unit also features a rubberized rear deck trim that allows for easier stump clearance in reverse. In fact, the 26-inch wide Outback brush cutter with higher tip speed is ideal for clearing brush and weeds up to 6 feet high and saplings to 2 inches in diameter at a rate of 2/3 an acre per hour. A good way to demonstrate this is with a time-lapse video. Both units have wide 16.5-inch puncture-resistant tires with 2-inch wider ones on the Hydro unit for better grabbing and pulling might in deeper brush and uneven terrain. Both are powered by either a 344cc Briggs or 388cc Honda engine with optional electric start. For ease of handling and safety in deep brush, the unit has wide plow-style handles with thick padded grips for maximum leverage, as well as knuckle guards that protect operator hands in rugged conditions. Lastly, linkages versus all cables on the fixed deck help eliminate cable issues, and intuitive drive controls on both units make it easier for the operator to move forward and reverse easily from the handles. So say goodbye to handheld trimmers and hello to the productivity and power of the Outback BC2600 series from Billy Goat, part of a full line of property cleanup solutions. When it comes time for leaf loading, maximize your efforts with the DL series of truck loaders from Billy Goat Industries. With a full range of products from entry-level 12 and 13 horsepower units, all the way through the new 35 horsepower units, Billy Goat offers a solution for any size user. To maximize your loads and minimize your dump runs, the DL series of truck loaders feature the ultimate in shredding technology by combining the proprietary Piranha blade with our proven armor-plated serrated impeller. As more and more landscapers take on the responsibility for residential and commercial leaf and property disposal, Billy Goat's Piranha blade and shredding impeller technology allows contractors to shred and load leaves across multiple properties and minimize costly dumping fees. Take advantage of this ongoing industry trend and grow your business in leaf removal as more and more communities look to reduce waste and extend the life of their solid waste landfill resources. In fact, more and more trash haulers today are simply prohibited from accepting yard waste for disposal in solid waste landfills, which results in contractors doing the removal and promoting yard waste facilities and composting instead. As you consider this trend in your market, step up to the power of a Billy Goat loader with a Piranha blade and shredding impeller to work for you. And the Billy Goat DL series loader features a host of custom-fit solutions to fit the unit to your truck or trailer. In particular, the base units can be skid-mounted to a trailer or truck, or they can be customized with optional tailgate hangers that can be purchased, allowing the unit to hang on the tailgate. A swing-away hitch is also a mounting option, allowing the unit to be mounted to a standard 3-point hitch behind the truck and swung out of the way when dumping. For our larger DL25 and DL35 series, an optional DOT highway-approved trailer is available. Lastly, the DL series features both vertical and horizontal extensions, so you can create a custom discharge fit no matter what truck or trailer combination. Remember, when it's time to clean up in all seasons with Billy Goat, a full line of property cleanup solutions. When your outdoor landscape projects require cutting turf for either removal or replacement, get behind the power of a Billy Goat 18-inch Hydro Drive sod cutter to finish the task fast with a precise cut and nearly effortless handling. Whether your job is a simple cutout of damaged turf or a larger project like patio installation, new flower bed, concrete flat work, or other hardscape project, there's simply no sod cutter that's easier to use than the Billy Goat Hydro Sod Cutter. The Billy Goat Hydro Sod Cutter is designed for simple operation and features best-in-class set-and-forget blade depth adjustment. A single lever and clamp located right at the user's operating position makes setting depth a snap, saving time and providing precise cutting depths up to 2.5 inches. Compare this to the confusing array of depth, pitch, drive, and cut settings required of other sod cutters, many of which are not accessible from the operator station. Because of differences in soil and moisture content, one speed does not fit all. The Billy Goat Hydro Sod Cutter features a variable speed hydrostatic transmission, plus reverse, that allows the operator to tailor both cutting and transport speeds for maximizing cut quality and job productivity. In fact, the Billy Goat unit features the fastest transport speed of any unit on the market at over 3.5 miles per hour, double that of most other sod cutters on the market. Here's the proof. Drive controls are comfortably undermounted for fingertip convenience. And operators will also appreciate the multiple oversized handle isolation mounts that absorb vibration and reduce fatigue for small to large projects alike. And when up against fixed objects like fences or other tight areas, operators will appreciate the reverse feature not often found on other machines. For curved work or when turning around at the end of a pass, a standard rear swivel caster enhances the unit's maneuverability. It can also be locked in place for straight line cutting. The machine's low center of gravity and equal distribution of weight impart cut quality and additional comfort to the operator. Even tough cutting conditions won't slow this sod cutting machine for a minute. Unique drive wheels clear mud and improve grip for added performance over alternative designs. The Billy Goat Hydro Sod Cutter features a heavy-duty front bumper bar and 4 convenient tie-down points for stable, safe strapping during transportation. The 18-inch cut Hydro Sod Cutter is powered by a 5.5 horsepower Honda GXV engine, backed by a 3-year warranty, and offers an optional 12-inch blade kit for when your job calls for smaller cutting widths. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, you can expect reliability, simplicity, and precise performance from the Billy Goat Hydro Sod Cutter. Clean up with Billy Goat, a full line of property cleanup solutions.